Okay, hi there, I'm Michele Marani from MARANI PROAUDIO, and we are known for high-end digital products based on DSP technology. What we are introducing here in terms of controllers, speaker management system, is the new MIR888F. Is the latest latest product we done, and is a controller that is able to provide 8 digital outputs together with the 8 analog outputs, so allowing in this case a full digital routing without passing through AD and DA conversions. What's new here is also the new class of AD and DA conversion that is performed by the latest AKM converters, allowing us to go at -94, -96 dB ground floor noise. Finally, there is the matrix. MDM24 is a 24 by 24 matrix that is allowing to cross and route data from 8 Dante input channel, 8 digital channels and 8 analog channels, and to route them on 8 output Dante channel, 8 out analog and 8 out digital channel. This will be quickly in September replaced by a new one allowing a full 16 by 16 matrix in between analog and digital inputs. So we will be able to cross up to 8 analog and up to 8 digital inputs and outputs together with the 8 Dante. This is for the moment all, and thank everybody for the attention.